Okay, I think I got it figured out. I'm going to pull this end, which is the handle release, which works. Now I take the other end, which would be the lock, and that seems to be working now. So this is the one I took out of the car. I guess I have a spare in case somebody needs one, and then we can try it out in your car. So that looks like I've got it sorted out. It's just the inquisitive part of me wanting to know how it works. So that didn't do that before, so it seems to be working now. One door module repaired. Thanks for watching.